Okay, so up till now we have completed these two ayahs, وَمَا كَانَ رَبُّكَ نَسِيًّا and هَذَا مِنْ فَضْلِ رَبِّي. So if you see this ayah right here, this is very simple ayah with respect to connection, since this has all the side connections, all the linear connections. You see here all the linear connection. There is no letter that is connecting from top. Okay, what do I mean by that? If you see here, هَذَا مِنْ فَضْلِ رَبِّي, Nun is the letter that connects from top, and Ba is the letter that Ya is the letter that connects from top. So wherever you have letters that connect from top, those are the places where you have to think well and do the composition. Okay, because then like for example Jim Ha Kha, they connect from top. Okay, so you have to be careful with that. Okay, so I think Jim Ha Kha is something that you have to among all the letters, if they come in middle form, you have to check out which letters you can connect with it. But there's also a simpler composition. Even Jim Ha Kha also connects from sideways as well. Okay, so I will just today we will take an ayah that has the Jim Ha Kha, so that we learn the top connection of the letters. Okay, so the ayah that we are going to take for today is Inna Allaha yuhibbul muhsinin. Indeed, Allah loves the good doers. So we will first write and see what are how we can write it. So this is inna. So what we can make a variation to this, we can make this noon, but it won't look good right in the beginning, so we'll just go ahead with this. Okay, second is Allah. We have already done this. So now in Allah there is a possibility. What we can change is this last part. Either we can make this ha that we make, or we can make this ha. Okay, we have done this. We'll just go with this right now, but we can take this. This is also possible. Now there is the letter yuhibbu. Ya, ha and ba. So how you will connect, and yes, this is Sumaya, you were asking this. Okay, ya, ha and ba, if I want to connect it, so first I will see which are the initial shape of ba that connects from top. Okay, so there are two. I hope you remember. The first one is this ha. This connects from two letters that connects from top. Okay, sorry, this ba right here, this way that we make it, this shape, this connects from top, and there is another shape, this shape, this also connects from top, two letters. So we can use either of them. Either I can make this, I can use this shape, or I can use this shape. Okay, of ba, of ya or ba, whatever you say. So I will use this one right now, yuhibbu. Now I will just, from this point we will just make ba, so that becomes yuhibbu. There could not be much variations to this. Okay, this was the only possibility. Like ha in Jim Ha Kha in middle form is not much variable. The connection part varies depending on the letter which with it connects. For example, if Jim Ha Kha connects with alif, this part, like this way, yuhibbu, or I'm just making like ya, ha and alif. And if it is ba, it will be ya, ha and right from this point. Okay, so with respect to just connection part, the letter varies. Rest, the middle shape of Jim Ha Kha is 1. So the variation can be with respect to just ba, just ya, this first letter. So we will just go with this, yuhibbul muhsinin. Now this part is challenging, al muhsinin. Now you have alif plus lam plus mim plus ha, and then you have to make plus sin. This is a longer neen, and then plus noon plus ya plus noon. Okay, so you see this is a very long word. Okay, so normally with 3 letter, mostly you will see there are not too long words, but for longer words you have to pre-plan the composition depending on the next letter. So we will see first which are the difficult letters. If we see this letter connects from top. Okay, so we have to be careful about which letter of meme we are doing. And again, since meme will connect from top, lam is joined to meme. So again you have to see that how you will make lam and then meme and then ha in such a way that it connects from top. Okay, and after that sin just connects linearly, Again noon connects linearly, ya connects linearly, and again noon connects linearly. So for this is very simple. Here there are different possibilities. The first is I will make lam smaller. Okay, from this point we will make meme. Okay, and then we will make ha, such that we will, the baseline will be same, muhsineen, neen. And I can raise this part up instead of making so many, like this shape will be a lot, and might be that something might become ambiguous. So we can make this shape of noon, and again noon right here. Okay, so this becomes muhsineen. A simpler, we will do this, there could be a simpler composition to this is I will write al, and then this, from this point we will just connect ha can connect this way as well, and then we will make meme right here, al muhsinin, rest everything will be same. So this will be a simpler composition, al muhsinin. Okay, this is also possible. So from all the things, again here you can use different type of meme. Either you can use this meme right here, leaf shape meme, or you can use from standalone meme, muhakkak. If you remember this shape, I said this connects linearly, you can just make this lamb right here, meme, and then this way, and you can make ha right from this point. Okay, so there could be variation in meme. We will go with a a difficult composition, so we'll learn this as well. Okay.